Starting to invest can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Here are some general steps to follow when starting to invest. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of investing, including the different types of investments and the risks and rewards associated with each. You can read books, take online courses, or speak to a financial advisor. Define your investment goals. Determine what you want to achieve through investing, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or simply growing your wealth. Assess your risk tolerance. Understand your comfort level with taking on risk. Generally, higher risk investments offer greater potential returns but also come with greater potential for losses. Choose your investments. Decide which type of investments you want to make, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk across different types of investments. Open an investment account. Choose a brokerage firm or investment platform that suits your needs and open an investment account. Begin investing. Start making investments in accordance with your investment plan and goals. Monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed. Remember that investing involves risk, and you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. It's always a good idea to seek advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.